Hello everybody. Now this is a video of a little trick I used in order to easily engrave my hand fan model with just about any kind of design I like. So my knowledge in 3D modeling is kind of limited. I use Blender for all models I want to work with. And after finishing the modeling of the hand fan with the hooks that connect the blades to each other, and the handle that keeps the fan together and also locks it, I came up with an idea to use the animation tools that Blender offers in order to add the design I wanted on the hand fan. So, in short, I created the necessary keyframes on all blades in order to have them move. So, let me show you here. Create a copy and select all the blades, and here on the timeline you can see that all blades have keyframes, and I can now move them to an open hand fan position like so, and then I can have them all fall in as if they are on a single plane like so. You can see that they're seemingly all the blades are seemingly on the same plane. So this way they now form the flat surface upon which I can engrave the desired design. So this is the surface upon which we can place the design. And let's say I want to engrave the tiger and the dragon design. So I have to position the design models in order to create watermark on the blades. Now, in order for the watermark to appear, we have to engrave 0.4 millimeters into the blades. That's going to be the depth of the watermark we're making. Now, in order for the design to appear correctly on the hand fan, we have to place it in between those two angles. Let me show you. Now this is angle number 1 and this is angle number 2. So the zone in which the design should be placed is this, so that it appears nicely when 3D printed. Okay, now again, in short, in order to engrave the design on the hand fan, we need to add some boolean modifiers on each blade for each one of the models of our design. So I select each one of the models of the design, go to the first blade, add a boolean modifier, and do the same thing for the next two parts of the design. No, that's the same. To change that to that. Okay. Now the first blade has all the modifiers. We select all the blades and copy those modifiers to all the selected objects. Okay. Once the modifiers are on all blades, we need to apply all the modifiers on all blades. Now we have a hand fan with the desired design permanently engraved on its blades. Let's change this and put some light on it so we can see it a little bit better. See, the design is engraved on the blades of the hand fan. And for the final magic step, all I have to do is roll back at the beginning of the animation so that all the blades get back to their original positions, but now each one of them carries its own part of the design. You can see here that all the blades have the engraved design on them. And that's about it. The hand fan is ready. We can now select all parts of the hand fan, export as an STL file, and then move on to a slicer, slice the model, and print as a printing place hand fan that comes off the printing plate ready to use. Now here you can see the hooks connect the blades together so that they keep them in place, and on the handle you can see the cone-shaped connection between the handle and all the blades. No shafts needed, no bolts needed. It's simple print in place solution. No supports needed, no assembly required. And of course, you can easily repeat the same engraving process for as many different designs as you wish to make. So that's it. Thanks for enduring my silly sounding voice. Hope you enjoyed this little trick and have fun with an A. Yeah, stupid little pun. Okay, bye bye now.